Rincón de la Vieja volcano has erupted. This name of the Rincón de la Vieja means the corner of the old woman. In the country of Costa Rica, or rich coast, there is an eruption of this volcano at the moment and going on. It's a phreatic eruption, means that the magma is in contact with the water, so it creates a lot of steam, and the steam explodes when it wants to erupt, when it is under pressure. And it blew out the top. In 1996, we had this eruption similar to this, very big actually. And even 2017, we have another eruption, not at this scale of the 1996, but it was an eruption that was important. In that case, it is dangerous because this volcano has access to a lot of water. Aquifers are full. The crater lake exists on top of it, is in the Costa Rica, as I mentioned. Cocos plate undergoing subduction under the Central American plate, creating a Central American trench. This setting of this volcano is interesting. We have a volcanic arc, and in front of it, four arc. And these are, when you see four arc in front of the volcanic arc, that means definitely mud volcanoes. So we have these volcanoes doing a phreatic eruption. You can see the water is green. It means there's a lot of copper and sulfur, kind of sulfuric acid in a way, and it can be dangerous. And in a way also quite devoid of any life in that sense, because no bacteria even cannot live in that unless a few very hardy ones. And the layering of this volcano shows on the crater wall that it has a rich history of eruptions, quite deep when you look at the crater down. And as I mentioned, sulfur exists on this volcano also. That means sulfuric acid, a mixture of water. Its setting is very similar to what we see in the Vancouver Island and the Makran of Iran. And this is because of when the oceanic plate hits the continental plate, it creates a wedge of sediments from the oceanic floor, creating an accretionary prism, and through that we have the pressure rising, liquefying whatever sediment is there, creating mud volcanoes. Costa Rica is famous for that, and there are many other similar places, as I mentioned, in Canada and Iran exist also. In Indonesia we have them. It's a very interesting setting for that tourism event in that sense, quite far away from